Looking for a compact yet powerful excavator? Introducing the LEITE 1 Ton Mini Excavator. The perfect solution for home users, farmers, and small construction projects. Built with a trusted Kubota engine, this machine delivers 18 HP of raw digging power, a bucket capacity of 0.04 cubic meters, and gradability up to 58 degrees. Whether you're digging trenches, landscaping, or working in tight spaces, this crawler digger has your back. What makes it special? It's fully customizable. Choose your accessories, color, even your brand logo. And with 1.5 years warranty, CE, EPA, ISO certifications, and overseas delivery options, it's built for reliability and peace of mind. The LEITE excavator is compact, durable, efficient, and built to perform. Don't miss out. Click the link below to order now and get it delivered straight to